Hello my dear ones from Oman Air's Boeing 737 in business class on a short hop from Dubai to Muscat. I'm Chris and Travel Sync Flies, all about airlines and destinations worldwide with lots of tips and detailed reports. And today it's all about this quite interesting airline in the Middle East. This is just a 45-minute short flight, but what I've seen so far is really pretty interesting. So come with me from Dubai to Muscat. We're starting in Dubai from Terminal 1, where all major non-low-cost airlines depart, except for Emirates of course. After a quick check-in, we're not looking at the duty-free shop today and we're going straight to the Al Ahlan First Class Lounge, which is open to all Oman Air Business Class passengers. Al Ahlan also has a business lounge, which is already pretty nice, but the First Class Lounge is a definite step up. There's a buffet of excellent cold and warm Arabic and international dishes, including really great small desserts, fresh juices and even really good champagne. There's also nice shower rooms and I had no idea the lounge was that good, otherwise I would have planned more time here. Instead, let's run now to our boarding gate. In this small Boeing 737, guests can expect a nice business class that clearly stands out from economy, with two not super modern but comfortable large recliner seats on each side. So different from regular economy seats with a free middle seat that are common in Europe. And we're pushing back for takeoff. What can you expect from a very short 45-minute flight on a small plane like the Boeing 737 in business class in Europe or the United States? Actually, not much. But here it's very different. Look at this. You have really nice wide chairs, really comfortable ones, a little older but really nice recliner chairs. Then as a welcome you got orange juice or lemon juice, then there was a bottle of water. Then on a 45 minutes flight you get a menu and even a selection of 2 dishes, and then you got quite decent headsets. So this is really quite an impressive start. Oman Air is one of the small airlines on the Arab Peninsula. However, it's quite an interesting airline because, I mean, you can see already the business class on small planes is quite impressive compared to other airlines. But if you go on long-haul flights with the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, you're gonna sit on the Apex suites. That's a very expensive seat product, and that's why only very few airlines have bought this seat to be put on their planes. I've already flown the Apex suite on Gulf Air from Bahrain to Cairo, and I'm gonna fly on Oman Air's Apex suite too in a few days from Muscat to Paris. Have a look at my channel. Check out the Gulf Air video, it's pretty interesting. Now that was a nice takeoff, wasn't it? Every time when you fly from Dubai to Africa or to the southern part of Arabia, you get this takeoff in case the takeoff goes towards the sea, because then you go out and see the whole harbor and all downtown, and then take the left turn just after Dubai downtown. Really impressive. Wow. Oh wow. Thank you. Wow, look at this. This is what I get on a 45-minute hop from Dubai to Muscat on Oman Air Business Class. This is pretty crazy. This is grilled Cajun chicken with sun-dried tomato, cream cheese, and then there's some really nice looking beef, and then you have 2 bread rolls, butter, and a really nice chocolate and shortbread cake. So impressive. A few words about entertainment on board Oman Air, because even here in the small Boeing 737 there's a screen embedded in the armrests and you can get nice headphones too. In my report on the Dreamliner I will go into detail about the entertainment program Aria, but only so much, it's pretty good, with a large selection of movies, series and music, and on this short hop it's all the more a really impressive surprise, and the flight show is also nice and interactive. Of course, space is very limited in the lavatories of this small Boeing 737, but they somehow made the best of it, and there's even hand lotion and facial tonic from the Omani luxury label Amouage. Now let's take another look at the seat, which is pleasantly wide for a narrow-body plane. There's a magazine holder and other small compartments for you to forget your cell phone. Then with these recliner chairs you can also extend the leg and footrests quite far at the push of a button, and the backrest moves backwards accordingly. It's far away from a bed, but great for short flights. Then there's individual reading lights, the headrest can be moved up and down, and there's a nice large pillow with a freshly washed pillowcase. By the way, if you want to book a miles award flight on Oman Air, you don't necessarily have to do that through Sindbad, that's the frequent flyer program of Oman Air, but you can also do it through Etihad Guests, that's a frequent flyer program of Etihad, and for that you don't need to fly a lot on Etihad or Oman Air, but you can just transfer points from your Amex card onto Etihad Guests, and with these points or then these miles you can book your flight on Oman Air. This business class flight on Oman Air will cost you very few miles, and that includes a visit to the beautiful Al Ahlan first class lounge in Dubai. So that's a lot of value for miles and points. And we are about to land in a few minutes, and it's so impressive what Oman offers here on this very short hop. You start, you eat, and it's really very good food, very good quality. I mean, there's no alcohol on board this plane, I mean on this flight at least, but for the rest it's really very good quality, and you can recline here, sit very comfortably, and then you land already. So pretty impressive what Oman offers on such a short hop. By the way, Muscat Airport is still brand new with its clear layout and beautiful design, with water and very chic benches that I still remember. And you should definitely not just change planes in Muscat, but really experience this still very traditional Arabic city with its grand mosque, the beautiful corniche, the Matra Souk, and the great fresh fish and seafood. On a business class flight out of Muscat, you should also plan some time for the Oman Air Lounge, which offers a large selection of regional and international dishes, a spa, a very nice bar with various types of champagne and wine, and a view over the runway. More about this in a separate report. And of course there's also a report on Oman Air's Dreamliner and the flight experience in the Apex suite with 4 windows per seat and beautifully prepared food. But now it's time to land in Oman's capital, Muscat.
So my dear ones, 45 minutes are over and we just landed in Muscat. I hope you really enjoyed this short flight report about Oman Air's business class on the Boeing 737, and if yes, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because there are really fantastic reports coming up this year from airlines and destinations worldwide on all continents. So stay tuned and see you again very soon here at Travel, Sing, Fly.